Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you will be good. Now today I am going to deliver the lecture number 4 of English for class nursery. Today we will do the two pages, okay, page number 8 and page number 9. Now I will open the book for page number 8 first. Yes, I will open the page number 8. Yes, this is page number 8 and today we will do this page first. Okay, now trace and write A to H. Revision. This is revision. Trace and write A to H. Okay, now first of all I will trace these given letters in front of you and then I will write these letters on a single dot. Okay, let's take start for the lecture. So yes, first of all I will trace the first lowercase, first letter. Yes, which letter is this? This is letter A. This is lowercase a. Okay, first of all you will trace this letter like this. Yes, this is lowercase a and it should be in 2 lines. Yes, now what comes after letter A? Letter B. Yes, and the sound of this letter is, yes, first of all I will discuss the sound of letter A, and now what comes after letter A? Letter B. Okay, now the sound of letter B is B. Okay, yes, how you will trace this letter? On a line pattern. Yes, you will trace this letter like this. This is lowercase b, this is small b. Yes, and it should be in upper 3 lines. Okay, now what comes after letter B? Letter C, and the sound of this letter is k, C, k. Okay, now I will trace this letter on this line pattern in front of you like this. Yes, this is lowercase c. Okay, now what comes after letter C? Letter D. This is lowercase d and the sound of this letter is D. Okay, how you will trace this letter D on a line pattern? Yes, like this. Yes, this is letter D and it should be in upper 3 lines. Okay, what comes after letter D? Letter E. Yes, this is lowercase e and the sound of this letter is A. E, A. Okay, yes, I will trace this letter in front of you. Yes, like this. Yes, this is letter E. Okay, what comes after letter E? Letter F. This is lowercase f and the sound of this letter is F, 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 F. Okay, now I will trace this letter like this. Yes, yes, this is letter F. This is lowercase f and it should be in 4 lines. Okay, what comes after letter F? Letter G. Yes, this is lowercase g and the sound of this letter is G, G, and it should be in lower 3 lines. Okay, what comes after letter G? Letter H. This is lowercase h. Yes, I will trace this letter like this. Yes, this is lowercase h and the sound of letter H is H, H. Okay, now it should be upper 3 lines. Okay, G. Now next I will write these letters, these given letters on a single dot, on 1 dot. Okay, now first letter is letter A. Okay, I will write letter A, lowercase a. First I will make an anti-clockwise half circle like this. Now go up, make a straight line. Now come down and touch the base line and here I will make a little tail with it. This is lowercase a and what comes after letter A? Letter B. Now I will write letter B. Yes, first I will make a straight line like this. Now go up and make a clockwise half circle like this. This is lowercase b and next is Yes, what comes after letter B? Letter C. Now I will write letter C, lowercase c, in front of you on a single dot. Yes, it should be in 2 lines. This is lowercase c, this is small c. Now next is, what comes after letter C? Letter D. Yes, first for letter D, I will make an anti-clockwise half circle. Now go up, make a straight line, now come down, and here I will make a little tail or a little loop with it. Okay, now for letter C, how you will write letter C on a line pattern? Okay, yes, for letter C you will make an anti-clockwise half circle. Yes, now this is letter C, lowercase c, and what comes after letter C? Letter D. Okay, now I will write the next letter. What comes after letter D? Letter E. Okay, for letter E, first of all, yes, you will put a dot in middle these 2 lines like this, and then you will write small e like this. First you will make a slant line, and then you will make an anti-clockwise half circle with it. This is lowercase e, this is small e. What comes after letter E? Letter F. Okay, now I will write letter F on this line pattern. First of all, I will make a little curve. Now come down. Yes, touch the lower line like this, and here I will make a little tail or a little loop with it, and then I will put a slipping line on the middle line like this. This is lowercase f, this is small f, and what comes after letter F? Letter G. Okay, for small g, for lowercase d, first of all, I will make an anti-clockwise half circle. Now go up, come down, and touch the lower line, and here I will make a little loop with it. What comes after letter G? Yes, this is lowercase g, and what comes after letter G? Letter H. Okay, now I will write letter H. First I will make a straight line like this. Now go up, here I will make a little curve. Now come down, yes, and then touch the line, and then I will make a little tail or a small loop with it. Yes, this is lowercase h, this is small h. Yes, today you will do page number 8 like this. First you will trace these letters, these given letters, and then you will write these letters on one dot, on a single dot. Okay, now come to the next page. Yes, page number 9. Yes, this is page number 9. Okay, now, yes, for page number 9, match the letter with the object. Okay, match the letter, match the given letter with given object. Yes, this is also revision. Okay, yes, you will do this page according to the given letters. Yes, on this left side of this page, first letter. Yes, now let's take the start. Yes, first letter is letter D. This is lowercase d, and yes, the sound of letter D is D. D. Very good. Okay, now what begins with this letter? Yes, what begins with letter D? Yes, the sound of letter D is D. Okay, yes, here you can see the given picture. Yes, D, D, duck. Yes, D is the beginning sound for duck. D, duck. D, D, duck. Okay, now next is, yes, letter E. This is lowercase e, this is small e, and the sound of this letter is A. Okay, now here I will find out the picture for letter E. Yes, E, A, elephant. E is the first letter for elephant. Yes, the beginning sound for elephant is A. E, A, elephant. Okay, now next is, yes, this is lowercase f. Yes, now the sound of letter F is f, F, f. Okay, now I will find out the picture for letter F. Yes, yes, F, F, fish. Yes, yes. Yes, F is the first letter for fish. Yes, the beginning sound of fish is F, fish. Okay, now next letter. Yes, this is lowercase g, small g, and the sound of letter G is G. Okay, now G, G, goose. Yes, G, G, goose. Okay, G is the first letter for goose. G, G, goose. Okay, now, yes, next letter is H. And the sound of this letter is, this is lowercase h, this is small h. And the sound of this letter is, okay, now I will find out the picture for letter H. Yes, H. Horse. Yes, H is the first letter for horse. The beginning sound of horse is H, horse. Okay, yes. Yes, today you will do page number 8 and page number 9 like this. Inshallah, we will meet again on tomorrow with the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you very much. Have a good day.